Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to discuss, as NASA has unveiled its ambitious plan to return to the moon with a whopping $93 billion budget. In this video, we'll delve into the details of this lunar mission, its goals, and what it means for the future of space exploration. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. Let's blast off into the exciting world of NASA's lunar plans. In the vast expanse of space, humanity's quest for exploration and discovery continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. With sights set on the moon, NASA's Artemis program has captured the world's attention as it ambitiously seeks to establish a permanent human presence on the lunar surface. Setting the stage, a lunar legacy, the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 1970s marked the first steps of humankind on the lunar surface. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became global icons as they left their footprints on the moon in 1969, inspiring generations with their historic feat. 5 more successful missions followed, culminating in the Apollo 17 landing in 1972. However, space exploration then shifted focus, leaving the moon behind in pursuit of other cosmic endeavors. Reviving the dream. The Artemis vision fast-forward to the 21st century, and the dream of returning to the moon was rekindled. In 2004, the Bush administration introduced the Constellation program, aimed at re-establishing human presence on the moon by 2020. This vision was followed by the Obama administration's Authorization Act, which paved the way for the development of the Space Launch System, SLS, and Orion spacecraft. Key components of Artemis. NASA's ambitious goals for this lunar return mission are nothing short of breathtaking. They're planning to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by 2028. That's just 7 years away. To achieve this, they're working on the Artemis program, which will include both crewed and uncrewed missions. Let's break down some key elements of the Artemis program. The Artemis program revolves around 4 main components: the Space Launch System, SLS, the Orion spacecraft, the Human Landing System, HLS, and the Gateway Station. Space Launch System, SLS. First, NASA will use the Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket ever built, to transport astronauts to the lunar orbit. They'll also utilize the Orion spacecraft to house and transport astronauts to and from the moon. The SLS stands as the most powerful rocket NASA has ever developed. Utilizing advanced technology, including solid rocket boosters and liquid propulsion, the SLS provides the necessary thrust to propel astronauts beyond low Earth orbit. It is a critical component for launching crewed missions to the moon and beyond. Orion spacecraft. The Orion spacecraft serves as the crew's vessel for traveling to lunar orbit and beyond. Equipped with modern advancements, it houses up to 4 astronauts for extended missions, and its robust design ensures their safety and comfort during their journey to and from space. Human Landing System, HLS. The HLS plays a pivotal role in Artemis lunar ambitions. Multiple designs were evaluated, culminating in SpaceX's Starship HLS, a versatile vehicle capable of transporting astronauts to and from the lunar surface. It represents the modern-day equivalent of the lunar module used in the Apollo missions. Gateway Station. But it doesn't stop there. NASA plans to construct a lunar gateway, a space station orbiting the moon, which will serve as a staging point for missions to the lunar surface. The Gateway Station serves as a staging ground for lunar missions, offering a platform for astronauts to transit to and from the moon. It is equipped with living quarters, laboratories, and power sources, serving as a crucial waypoint for Artemis' ambitious plans. Missions and beyond. Artemis mission timeline unfolds with Artemis 1, an uncrewed test flight of SLS and Orion, set to validate their capabilities. Artemis 2 will be a crewed test flight, while Artemis 3 marks the return of humans to the moon, including the historic landing of the first woman and person of color. As Artemis progresses, missions 4 through 11 will gradually extend humanity's lunar foothold. With a focus on logistics, habitats, and advanced technologies, Artemis lays the groundwork for a sustained human presence on the lunar surface. But wait, there's more. NASA's lunar mission isn't just about planting flags and footprints. They're interested in exploring the moon's valuable resources, conducting groundbreaking science, and using it as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. Plus, the lunar surface could be a potential source of water and other essential materials for deep space exploration. Future prospects and beyond Mars. Artemis not only aims to establish a lunar foothold, but also acts as a springboard for Mars and beyond. By testing life support systems, habitats, and technologies on the moon, Artemis will contribute to future Mars missions. The program envisions the creation of a lunar village, potentially transforming humanity into a spacefaring civilization. NASA's Artemis program symbolizes humanity's indomitable spirit of exploration. By combining cutting-edge technology, historical milestones, and a vision for a multi-planetary future, Artemis has the potential to reshape the way we perceive our place in the cosmos. As the Artemis program accelerates, it ushers in a new era of space exploration, inspiring current and future generations to reach for the stars and beyond. Before we conclude, let's address the challenges and funding. A $93 billion plan is no small investment, and there will undoubtedly be technical and financial hurdles to overcome. However, NASA is determined to secure the necessary funding and address these challenges to make this mission a reality. In conclusion, NASA's $93 billion plan to return to the moon is a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and the unwavering spirit of exploration. It's not just about going back to the moon, it's about taking the next giant leap for humankind. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.